Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the video by adding the images to the track and add all of the picture in the CapCut. So for example, I'm going to add few images to the track, and you can adjust for the image duration. Just click menu, settings, and select edit, and you can change for the image duration. For example, I'm going to just 2.0 seconds. Just click save and can try again. You can see one clip is 2 seconds, right? 2 seconds. You can see. All right. Go to transition to add the transition and select the transition you like. So drop down. This version in the 1.0 second. Apply to all the clip and go to effect. Select effect type. For the duration, and you can also add the audio. You can add the music available here. Sound effect, extract audio from your video, or you can add the effect zone. Just click and link to the craft. Okay, you can add a text, sticker, and animation. Just click on the clip. You can see animation option. Click and can yeah, add animation. So let's just the final result. Alright, it's super simple to make the video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.